Next is the lab for TDMQ for CKafka. So we're going to use a CVM and have it installed with the Kcat. Kcat is one of the Kafka compatible tool, so you can have that installed onto the CVM, and with that you will be able to simulate that as a producer, and also using the same CVM to serve as a consumer. So in between the producer and consumer, this CKafka topic is created to temporarily store the message. So the whole purpose is to demonstrate to you that the CKafka can serve as a async message queue, which means that when the CVM is sending the message, you will hold it temporarily before the consumer consumes it. Over here is not in real time, it's asynchronous. So what I'm gonna do right now is create an instance for the CKafka. Be careful in terms of the billing mode. I will be using postpaid billing by hour, Pro Edition, Bangkok. The version that you can leave as default. You can put a name, CKafka student 1, and you can leave the rest as default. Make it multi-AZ, or you can make it single AZ as well. Here I make it single AZ. Click it and make sure that you select the correct VPC network. Eventually the CKafka will be able to communicate with the CVM. These two need to be under the same network. I'm going to tick the agreement. Let's review anything else need to be added. At least 2 AZs. Now it's mandatory to have multi-AZ setup. Be careful. Over here, make sure that the correct network has been set up and you hit by now. Just wait for a while, and in the meanwhile you can go on to the CVM. The CVM could be the same as the one that you did the lab previously. First of all, I'm going to install the Kcat tool. We just need to copy and paste it. I've already done that, and I'm not going to do anything because I haven't have the instance set up and the topic set up. So I'm going to wait for it to be ready. While we are waiting for it, later we are going to use the same CVM, serving it as producer and consumer. Of course you can use 2 CVM differently, but since the whole idea is async, I have the same CVM as a producer, send the message to Kafka topic, and I'm going to cancel it. Right, the message is already being stored here. And a same CVM serve as a consumer. I'm going to subscribe to it. I'm going to consume it. Right? So it's asynchronous. So it doesn't matter whether you are using 2 CVM or 1 CVM. So let's just go back to see whether it has been successfully created. Not yet. While it's creating, let me walk you through the command I'm going to issue later. After the instance is created, I'm going to create the topic under this instance. Under the topic, by default, there will be multiple partitions. The message you are sending is not directly in the topic. Instead, it's under the partition, which is part of the topic. Later, you're going to see partition 1, partition 0, partition 2. When you send the message, you can point the message to a specific partition. It will be easier for you to do the testing and troubleshooting and get a feel of how the message queue works asynchronously. Okay, now the instance is up. We're going to click into it. So you see that the IDs and everything, the disk capacity, peak bandwidth, pro editions, offset retention duration. So access mode is through the VPC. This is the IP address of it. Oh, this is very important. I'm going to the topic list. I'm going to create one. I'm going to create topic student 1, and you can add different partitions into it. I'm going to add 3 by default. Read replica is up to you. You can put 2. Retention, I'm going to hit submit. So the partition has been created. Take note on this one, topic. I'm going to copy this topic and paste it here. I'm going to replace the IP address with this one. This is simulating the producer, and this simulating the consumer. It's already been swapped. For the producer, this is producer command. Here it's been updated, and also the topic has been updated. Similarly, for the consumer simulator command, here has been updated, and here has been updated as well. Let me explain the parameters. This is to simulate the producer, which is to produce the message. This is the broker address, the topic or Kafka instance address. Here is the topic name, partition 0. Here is the producer mode, a verbose output. Over here, C stands for consumer. I'm going to paste this in the CVM, simulating as a producer. and the producer message has been sent. As a consumer, I'm going to subscribe to it. And you see that hello Kafka is the one that I just sent and received. Go back to here, message query the message that you just sent to double check the topic, query partition 0, start offset or query by start time. Make sure that you go behind the timing set yesterday and you query. So you see the detail. Hello CKafka with the date. And later on, you can also check the monitoring status, but it will have some delay. Oh, so now it's already here. Okay, so basically this is pretty much of it. Thank you.